moment langsam.
What is happening here right now is all of us are all tested, and some of us are negative while some of us are positive. But the problem is the negative is not separated from the positive. We are all still living together, and the reason why many people came out like this right now is they brought some positive guys, white guys from another city into the camp that we already have positive already, and they brought them to come stay with us in the same building, in the same rooms. You understand? This is the reason why everybody is angry. See the crowd? We all suggested that if we are all tested and some of us are positive, maybe the positive should go out or the negative goes out from the camp. You understand? I think that would be better. Instead of staying together, we are all tested. You all have our test result. Take the negative out of this camp. Give them a better place to stay. Order, take the positive out of this camp. Give them a restricted area, a kind of a quarantine area for them to stay. You don't just test all of us. You see the list. Those are positive guys on the list, and the negative guys, they are all still staying together. So what is the essence of doing the test? This is coronavirus we are talking about. You understand? You see, the guy who is like agitating for it, they collected his name, his ID card. They want to see if it's positive or negative. If it's positive, it has noticed. It doesn't matter. You understand? It doesn't matter even if you see they collected that guy's card. They want to see if the guy is positive. You understand? Now, even if the guy is positive, what does it change? It doesn't change anything. But we are all living together. That is the problem. We are all living together. I'll tell you. There is police. The full building is locked down anyway. Police van is running around the camp. There are police van in the front of the gate. None of us can go out. The positive cannot go out. The negative cannot go out because we are still living together. So what did they wish us? They want all of us to be positive before they allow us. Take the negative out of this camp or take the positive out of this camp. Why are you putting us all together? Look at how they dress. Because they themselves are negative. Look at how they dress. To prevent themselves. But look at all of us. Some are negative here and some are positive here. We all live it together. This has to stop. You understand? The result is coming every time. From 20 to 70% right now. From 20 to 70% right now. Before we were 20%. From 20% to 70%. Nobody is going out. How is this spreading? If they are not separating us, they are the one causing it. We all want to leave this place. If we are positive, we stay or we leave. If we are negative, we stay or we leave. What he is doing now does not change anything. Looking at names, who is positive and who is negative. If anybody is positive there, the person is there with us. If it's negative, he's still there with us. Something has to be done. My brother, it's true now. Because he's working, he wants to defend his job. He's talking stupidly. Look at that black man there. This guy, this very one, it's a black man. He knows what we are saying is true, but he's trying to side his boss. This boss, he's trying to side him. You understand? This another black guy. This guy is not talking because he knows we are right. But you see this black guy, we don't know his problem. Thank you. That is what is happening here right now.